morning. My name is Malavika Sharma.
And my name is Jyoti.
Our project name is Fingerprint based door lock system. And in this project, we are using Arduino board, fingerprint sensor, GSM module, and servo motor. And right now we are use traditional lock, but further we are going to develop a modern way of locking. And the connection is Arduino is connected to servo motor. The connection red wire is connected to 5 volt, and then orange wire is connected to ground, and brown wire is connected to 8 point. And same as fingerprint sensor, red wire is connected to 3 volt, and white wire is connected to 2, and black wire is connected to ground, and yellow wire is connected to 3. And next, Omlan. Now Omlan will continue with coding.
So we have used the simple Adafruit fingerprint library of the Arduino IDE, and it's like, and we had just added the servo code, as you can see here. These are the fingerprints code, and this is the servos. This is all the code. And this is the code for the project. See, and it's work like this. And it's work like this. Here I put my finger. And here you can see that I am scanning my fingerprint, and it's unlocked, and it will lock automatically by 6 seconds. And you can see it's locked. And the future scope of our project is like we will add the GSM code, like it will send message to the owner if if an intruder tries to unlock the fingerprint. Like if he tries, if you can see, like this finger is recorded in it, but the other fingers are not recorded. If I use this finger, it's not working out. And like this, if 3 incorrect fingerprints are scanned by the fingerprint scanner, the GSM module will, with the help of the GSM module, we will send a message to the owner, like someone is trying to access your door. And we will also add cameras in the lock, which will take the photos of the pictures of the intruder, and we will also use the sensors to let the lock know that the door is closed or not. And here then this was all our project.